Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this easy eyeshadow tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This eyeshadow, it can be for any occasion and it's the quickest eyeshadow look you can do. So let's dig in. So as you can see, I've already done a bit of my makeup. For now, I'm just going to show you guys how to do the eyeshadow that I'm aiming to show you. It's a very easy step. You just need a normal brush and you need a fluffy brush to blend it in. So I'm going to be using the Karidjata Bright eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using two colors that's similar to each other. So the number one is a bit lighter and the number two is quite dark, so it can give it that smoky eyeshadow look. So I'm just adding that onto my eyelid, just making sure it's all even. So try to do it underneath your creases so it can look nice and professionally done. My plan was initially to actually record an eyebrow tutorial and then an eyeshadow tutorial, but then my camera went off unfortunately. So as you can see on the other screen, I'm doing my eyebrow, and on this screen I'm doing my eyeshadow. And now I'm just using a darker shade of a color that I've previously used, just to give it that smoky eye look, but without using any black. And you can do this with any color shade you want. You can do it with blue, you can do it with green, you can do it with yellow. I would definitely recommend, if you do it with yellow, you use a orange color, so it's getting from a yellow color to orange, because that might look really nice. But I actually will do a tutorial about that one day, and just to see how it looks like. You can see this is how it looks like after blending my eyeshadow. And now I'm going to use a bit of gold in the corner of my eyeshadow just to make my makeup pop. I love using gold in the corner of my eyeshadow because it just brings my face to life. And this eyeshadow tutorial is so easy to do because you can just do basic makeup, natural looking makeup, and do this eyeshadow tutorial, this eyeshadow on your eyelid, and it will just look like your makeup looks on fleek. So I would definitely recommend you guys trying this because it's such an easy eyeshadow to do. If you don't know how to do makeup that much, this is what I would recommend for you to do 100%. And voila, an easy eyeshadow tutorial for you guys to do anytime you want. It's very quick and easy. And now I'm just going to do my eyeliner just to finish off my makeup and make it look all nice and beautiful. And I'm also going to add mascara to make my eyelashes look really nice. I'm not going to add a fake eyelashes for this look because I kind of want it to look a bit natural, like a natural glam look. So you will see at the end how fabulous I look. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Please comment down below and let me know what you think of this look. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. I am so grateful.